Hello, hello, and welcome back to the Kindred Kitchen. I'm V, and Pam's behind the camera today.
Hello.
And as per request, I've brought this very special recipe for you. So my recipe today is aloo ka paratha, which is basically it's an Indian flatbread that's stuffed with a spicy potato, if you will. This is one of my kids' favorite, and I know that a few subscribers on here had asked us about this, so I'm gonna make you one that my kids love. And I want you to comment down below if you've tried any variety of any stuffed roti or paratha. It's basically a stuffed flatbread, Indian version of it. If you've tried any, comment down below with a thumbs up. Now while you're down there, don't forget to like and subscribe. So for the recipe, we'll have all the descriptions about it in the description down below. So don't worry about it. Just come on here and enjoy the video with me. So here I have some whole wheat dough that I've just cooked just with water. Knead it until it's nice firm dough. You can see it's soft and pliable.
And you have done this before, so I will link that video down below.
Sure. Yeah. And then I have some dry whole wheat flour with me. And here I have one potato that I just grated up.
It was already cooked, or is it raw?
Yes, it's boiled. It's a boiled potato that I just grated. I have 1 teaspoon salt. I have a little bit of cayenne pepper. It's about 1/4 teaspoon. And I have 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder. And here I have about 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. Now I would say, usually for the dry mango powder, I always say to put lemon if you don't have it, but don't put lemon because you don't want the potato filling to tear out. So if you want, you can add lemon zest, but that's about it. Don't add the juice of a lemon. So I'm gonna put everything on here. And I'm just gonna mix everything up right here. Yes, I use my hands. Mm-hmm. They're the best tools in the kitchen.
So this is the whole, like the stuffing, so to speak.
Yes, this is the stuffing part. And I've done this with carrots. I've done it with cabbage. It's just different with everything. The flavors are different with everything. But this, I'm bringing you this because I know this is a favorite for everyone. So here I am. I took a little bit of dough and I'm just rolling it. So after rolling my dough, I'm just going to put it in the dry flour and I'm going to roll it out here. This is how my mom taught me to do it. So if anyone has questions, I can direct her. All right, so I'm going to take a little bit of the filling. It's a little over a tablespoon, I would say. And I'm just going to put it right here in the center. And then this is what I do. I pick up the sides and I start rolling it. And then I close it up like a little package. And then, the excess, there's a little excess, I just take that off. And don't waste it. You can use it on the other one. And then I just fold this down, turn it.
So you have the seam down, like where you pinched it down.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm going to just dip it in the dry dough again. And I have my pan heating up there. So as soon as I roll this, I'm going to start cooking it on the hot pan. Now, usually they would fry this up after it's cooked. They would add oil and crisp it up on the pan. But I don't add any oil. But it's still, it's crispy enough. If my kids don't complain, it's good. So here you have it.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Are we gonna?
Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do is my pan is nice and hot here, so I'm just gonna cook it up. All right. So now one side is cooked, as you can see.
Oh yeah, nice and toasty.
Yeah. So I'm gonna cook the other side, and as we go, I'm gonna keep flipping it, keep toasting it so it's crispy, and that way I won't need the oil for it. So that's my trick if you're doing this oil-free. All right, now as you can see, this right here is nice and crispy.
Yeah, looks
good. You can
good.
even hear it, yeah. So super simple recipe, and I will And here you have it. So if you are looking for something super simple and easy, and you're looking for something like a paratha or a roti, this right here for you it's pretty good. My kids love it, and I hope you enjoy it too. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to get to our website, kindredvegans.com. Sign up for our newsletter. We have a bunch of new things coming out. So stay tuned with us, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.